Hi guys, what we're going to do today is a very easy one. We're going to make a bruschetta. So in a bowl of water, there's only about a cup of water, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I'm adding apple cider vinegar, and cube up 1 small onion. Now we need to add the onion to the water, and this will take away the harshness from the onion. It will mellow the flavour. Don't forget we're using raw onion on our bruschetta. So finely dice it and add it to our water vinegar mixture. After adding our onion to our water mixture, we need to start dicing and slicing our tomatoes. Now I'm using cherry tomatoes, but you can use any tomato, but we need to finely dice. Don't forget this is our topping on our bruschetta, so finely dice the tomatoes. Now be very careful, as always, we are using a knife, and this fiddly close work can cause problems. So finely dice, and then I'm putting black olives on mine. Now you don't have to, you could just use the onion and tomato, but I'm finely slicing some black olive, and I'm also going to mince it so I can sprinkle it over the top of the bruschetta. And then on with our bread. I'm using baguettes, and we want to slice the baguette on a bias. This will give us more surface area for our bruschetta. The more surface area, the more topping. Okay, then once we've sliced up our bread, we need to toast this bread. And the way that I do it, I put a pan on the grill, on the stove, and I put the bread in the pan. Toast one side, and then we have to toast the other side. Now you toast the bread to whatever stage that you like. You might want it lighter than I do. So toast both sides of the bread. And then when the bread's toasted to how we want it, we need to take it out and we need to rub it with garlic. So take a fresh garlic clove and give it a rubbing over. Now we don't have to rub it really hard, nice and gently, and it will transfer the flavour to the bread. And then to our bowl of chopped diced tomatoes, we want to add about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of dried oregano, our red onion, a pinch of salt, and we want to give this a good mixing in. Give it a good stir around. Now this little pinch of salt will actually help with forming the juice from the tomatoes. It will actually draw out some of the juice. And give it a taste. If there's not enough salt, put more in. And then we want to roll and finely slice some fresh basil leaves. And then we're going to add this to the bowl as well. So roll it up, pile the leaves on top of each other, roll them up, finely slice them, and add them to the bowl of tomatoes. Now we need to give it a mix through. Mix it all through so it's all incorporated, and then add a pinch of black ground pepper. Stir it all through, and the aroma of this already is amazing. And then all we need to do is drizzle over some olive oil on our toasted bread and start placing our topping on. Then all we have to do then is garnish with a few basil leaves and some of our chopped olives, and that's our bruschetta made. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe, and if you would like to share the video with your friends, that would be amazing. So till next time, take care